everyone, my name's Tony and I'm the Education Director here at Vanity Planet. Today I want to talk to you about our Luminous Repair Sleeping Mask. Benefit from the revolutionary power of pomegranate and rosehip with our Luminous Repair Sleeping Mask. This unique innovation nourishes your skin with hydration-heavy moisture and calms acne flare-ups while you sleep. Transform your skin overnight with our unique blend of clean fruit extracts and anti-inflammatory ingredients, minus any silicones or sticky residue. Wake up to unbeatable hydration, even texture, and an impeccable glow without any redness. Hydrate while you sleep to benefit from natural anti-aging ingredients and reduce redness in the span of just 8 hours or less. The popularity of face masks is at an all-time high. Our hydration-focused overnight mask can be custom applied to fight free radicals, smooth lines, and soothe inflammation. Aloe is super hydrating and soothes your skin, while sodium hyaluronate hydrates your skin and provides anti-aging and wrinkle-smoothing benefits. Pomegranate is a natural source of vitamin C, which helps hydrate and replenish dull, dehydrated skin. Jojoba contains vitamin E and B, which aid in skin repair and reducing redness. Its antimicrobial properties can help reduce acne breakouts by preventing the growth of bad bacteria on your skin. Passion fruit extract is a natural source of vitamin A and C. It fights free radicals and soothes skin from its natural anti-inflammatory properties. We recommend using our sleeping mask in your evening routine as your last step. Simply apply a nickel-sized amount to your face before bed and rinse off in the morning. Our Luminous Repair Sleeping Mask is cruelty-free and formulated in California. This hydration-heavy sleeping mask is designed to envelop your skin in supreme moisture while you sleep.